What's up, guys? Thanks for clicking Florida Outdoor Adventures. It's finally time to switch the rear tire on the WR250. First time that I've taken off the original. This is the original rear tire. I think it's a Bridgestone, and we're gonna go with the MotoZ or MotoZ. I think it's MotoZ, right, Gabriel?
Yep.
We're gonna go with the MotoZ Tractionator Enduro IT. I think it's intermediate. It's a DOT tire, and we're going to go ahead and install it right now. And the reason this video is just going to be about the tire, not actually testing it or anything. But if you subscribe to my channel, next week, a week or two from this post, we're going to be up in March Moto Madness in Tennessee, and we're going to go ahead and really see how this tire does. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned.
I'd love to, pero tengo que Honda.
That's why I came with the Honda Pilot.
Yeah, I'll carry this one.
Thanks a lot, bro.
Yeah, here we go.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on.
Okay, we totally ruined your motorcycle shopping.
No, we got time, right? Yeah, it's only 11:30.
Alright guys, here it is, mounted up. Looks really good, very aggressive tire. DOT approved. Super sad that I couldn't get the front tire in time before the trip to March Moto Madness, but there's nothing I could do. So at least I got the back one. I'm going to have good traction. Let's go ahead and put this sucker back on. Okay, the spacing is good. Spins. Check the other side. Perfect. Tension. Good. Alright, that's it. Job complete. MotoZ Tractionator 130/90/18. Make sure you subscribe. Check out the videos coming soon from March Moto Madness, Tennessee, off-road. Wish me luck, guys. Thanks for watching, everybody.